So hello, we were doing the complete course for SEBI. We have already completed our phase 1 paper 1 for general awareness, and if you want to do it, then one video is there of around 4 hours in which entire general awareness is completed. That includes your survey, budget, some current affairs related to banking, that is SEBI, RBI. At the same time, important report and indices are also being covered in this. In addition to this, the yearly magazine is also live, which has entire 2025 in one book only, very comprehensive. All the important things are being covered, whether it is your national, international, then your reports and indices, important scheme, geographical indication tag, UNESCO sites, important wetlands, geographic related news, recent volcano eruptions, tourism related, defense obituaries, important appointments on national international level, important awards in sports, defense exercises, relief operations, and so on. Everything is covered. You can have a look on the Telegram. At the same time, 2000 most important question for CV series is also live. Go and watch it. Now we were doing information technology or IT for our paper 2. So phase 1 paper 2 we have already completed database concepts, SQL query and programming concepts, Java, C and C++, जिसमें हमने देखा about object oriented language, data abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, about for loop, do while, that do will run at least once. So all of that we have already seen. Now in this we'll take chapter 4, that is data analytics, language Python R. Now the conduct is going to be the same. First we'll take the entire theory, then we'll take some of the previous year questions, and then we'll take some important MCQs. After that we'll take our flashcard or our most expected question or our revision. So let's start with our chapter 4, that is data analytics, language Python R. So Python for data analytics, Python basics. So now why Python for data analytics? So question can be like this as well. Why Python for data analytics and why not C, C++, Java or other such languages? So the reason is simple syntax, interpreted language, extensive libraries for data analysis. Okay, extensive libraries are there for data analysis, and platform independent. Python is platform independent. So Python is dynamically typed, meaning variable type is decided at runtime. Then Python data types are built-in data types. So numeric, that is your int, float or complex. Then boolean, true or false. Then sequence types are list, tuple or string. Then set types are set or frozen set, and mapping type is dictionary. So important differences are list, mutable and ordered. So mutable list is yes, ordered yes. Then tuple, mutable no and ordered no. Set is mutable yes and ordered no. Dictionary is mutable and ordered Python 3.7 plus. Then list, tuples, sets and dictionaries. So list is ordered collection, mutable and allows duplicate values. Okay, duplicate values allowed in list or not? So the answer is yes, it is allowed. Then use case, data storage and manipulation. Tuple, ordered, immutable and faster than list. Use cases, fixed data. Then set, so unordered, no duplicates, used for membership testing. Then in dictionary, key value pairs, keys must be immutable and fast lookup. Then data slicing, so slicing syntax is used to extract part of sequence. Slice, name itself suggests what, used to extract part of sequence. Applies to list, tuples and strings. Support positive indexing and negative indexing. कहाँ पे होता है? Apply to list, tuples and string, and support positive indexing and negative indexing. Then regex basics is regular expressions. What is regex? So pattern matching technique. Okay, what is it? Pattern matching technique. And what is the use? So use for text search, validation, data cleaning. Then common regex symbols. The symbols are this: dot, any character, this is for start of string, asterisk is for 0 or more, plus is for 1 or more. Then these bracket, rectangular brackets are character set. Then slash d is digit, slash w is word character. All of these are very important common regex symbols. Have a look at 1-2 times and then you will be able to remember it. ठीक है, very important. Then file handling in Python. So file operations are open, read, write and close. What are the operations? Open, read, write and close. File modes are R, read, W, write and A is append. So read, write and append. Then important is use with statement for safe handling. Then functions and classes. So functions, reusable block of code defined using def definition, ठीक है, defined, and supports default argument and keyword arguments, return values. Then classes, blueprint for objects, supports object oriented programming and concepts. Python supports inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation. तीनों करता है कौन? Python support. Inheritance, inherit करना, polymorphism, same message in different types, encapsulation, एक ही जगह कैप्सुलेट कर देना, साथ रख लेना, that is encapsulation. And what was abstraction? An abstraction is sharing the essential details and hiding the non-essential or background details. Importing and exporting data. So importing data is CSV files, Excel files, text files. Use libraries, conceptual awareness, pandas and numpy is used libraries. Then export data is save process data. Formats are CSV in Excel. Then data cleaning is, what is data cleaning? Removing inconsistencies, handling missing values and removing duplicates. What are these? Removing inconsistencies, handling missing values and removing duplicates. Common step is handling null NaN values. Then type conversion and removing outliners. Then data reshaping. So what is data reshaping? Changing structure of data for analysis. ठीक है, जो भी structure है उसको आपने change किया for analysis is what data reshaping. Includes reshaping rows and columns, pivoting data मतलब change कर देना उससे and merging data sets. Then R language for data analytics. So R language basics is R overview, statistical programming language used for data analysis, statistical computing and visualization. किसके लिए? Data analysis, visualization and statistical computing. ठीक है, statistical computing के लिए भी. And R is interpreted and vector oriented. What is it? Is it vector oriented or not? So the answer is yes, interpreted and vector oriented. Then vectors in R. So basic data structure and stores elements of same type. Then types are numeric, character and logical. Operations on vectors are element wise. ठीक है, कौन कौन से? numeric, character and logical. Then data frames. So data frame is tabular data structure. Columns can be of different data types, similar to table in structured query language, used extensively in data analytics. Then basic statistical functions in R. So common functions are mean, median, sum, min, max, SDN, var. Then used for descriptive statistics and data summarization. Python versus R. Features usage में general purpose Python and R is for statistical. Then learning curve easier in case of Python and moderate in case of R. Then data analytics strong in case of Python and very strong in case of R. Visualization, so good in case of Python and excellent in case of R. So all of these are very important. ठीक है, क्या? easier learning curve in case of Python and moderate in case of R. Data analysis strong in case of Python and very strong in case of R. And good visualization in case of Python and excellent in case of R. ठीक है, such tables versus differences question are very important. Now let's come to our previous year questions from this chapter. Which Python data type does not allow duplicates? Set. Which R structure stores tabular data? Data frame. Regex is mainly used for pattern matching. Then which Python structure stores key value pairs? Dictionary. Which language is vector oriented? So the answer is R. Now let's come to our some practice MCQs. Which Python data type is immutable? Tuple. Dictionary key must be immutable. Regex is used in data cleaning. Then Python is dynamically typed. Data frames belongs to R. Set does not allow duplicate values. Set में क्या allowed नहीं है? Duplicate values. So set does not allow duplicate values, which handles missing values, data cleaning. Vector operations in R are element wise. Python supports object oriented programming, yes. File mode to append as A. Data slicing works on sequences. Regex symbol for digit is /d. Importing CSV is part of data ingestion. Then Python list is mutable. R is mainly used for statistics. Pivoting is part of data reshaping. Then dictionary stores data as key value pairs. Mean function gives average, obviously, right? Mean gives you average. Then Python class supports inheritance. Remove NaN is part of data cleaning. Then our flashcard or our most expected question or our revision. Python dynamic language. List is mutable. Tuple is immutable. Set no duplicates. Dictionary is key value. Regex is pattern matching. File handling is write or read. Data clearing is remove errors. Data reshaping is change structure. Then R is statistical language. Vector is same type elements. Data frame tabular data. Mean is average. SD is standard deviation. SD standard deviation. Mean is average. Import data is data ingestion. So that's it in this. You will find this PDF as well as the other important PDFs on the Telegram related to this exam as well as the other exams. If you need resource for some specific exam, do tell me. I try to provide you with the same. And that's it in this. All the very best and thank you.